77, 78. Yeah. The yellow is upstairs. Right there.
That's a cool lobby. I bet this has probably has more banks.
It's one of the best elevators. This and 606 South Olive, my building. Behind
606 South Olive?
Behind my building.
We'll take a look at that. Have a good one.
Bro just sent us to another ERM.
I'm curious now.
They asked why there were guests.
We were sent here. That lobby's beautiful though. I want to get a shot of that. Or at least try. Oh yeah.
Oh, there's a frame.
I saw that. These might have been Kimball's. I think these were Kimball because Kimball had an office in LA.
Capitán, ¿listo? ¿No?
Más.
Un poquito más,
Poquito más.
por favor.
Almost dropped my phone.
Cuando lo cerré, los planos de la orilla, la tierra se aflojó y los quise apretar. Se cayeron, tuve que solarles ahí. Y dije, le pongo su logra, no, que
Wow, I love these lanterns. These are so cool. I want to see the down light up quick. And like you can see the panel. That's cool. That's it.